Hello and welcome to Scientifically Speaking. Today we're going to be talking about how Hubble focuses on an enormous spiral galaxy NGC 1961. NASA has released a stunning photo taken by the NASA ESA Hubble Space Telescope of the intermediate spiral galaxy NGC 961, and there is a picture of it. Now, I've got a problem with this picture. Now, the problem with this picture is it corresponds to the energy travel that I have shown in smoke. Now, I'm going to take a photo of this and then we'll discuss it, and I'm going to bring up my photos. Let's just quickly go through the article, because this, to me, is not an S-shaped galaxy. It's more of a halo wave. So we'll talk about that in a minute. So NGC 1961 lies approximately 60 million parsecs, 197 million light years away in the constellation of Camelopardalis, whatever that is. The galaxy was discovered by a German-born British astronomer, William Herschel, December 3rd, 1788. Otherwise known as all those numbers, it is more than 220,000 light years across, over 2 times larger than our Milky Way galaxy. NGC 1961 is the central member of the group, a small number of 9 galaxies. It unfurls its gorgeous spiral arms, which it doesn't seem to be. It seems to be hugging, and then there's a mass here. And I'll explain it in a minute. Unfurls its glorious spiral arms in this newly released image. The arms are spiral, but it is not looking like your normal S-shaped galaxy. Glittering blue regions of bright young stars dot the dusty spiral arms winding around the galaxy's glowing centre. Like a pair of arms hugging somebody is what I see. It's classified as an intermediate spiral galaxy. They are between barred and unbarred spiral galaxies, means they don't have well-defined bar of stars at their centres. And I'm saying because this is a halo wave galaxy, and that's what it looks like. These galaxies likely have supermassive black holes at their cores, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so let's now go to this main picture, and I'm going to describe what I'm seeing. Okay, I've actually just watched my video and I've stopped it, and I'm inserting this piece before I give an explanation of the shape that's going on with the galaxy. Now, I did this video in 2016, and it's Fibonacci solves a Heteromac electromagnetic flow. Now, it seems to be just like smaller picture inside of picture, but it's not. Each one of these pictures, if you follow one of the lines, will curve from the directly in the center into the heart, into the acorn, and into the heart. And if you go the other way, it goes from the acorn into the heart, into the acorn, and back down to the bottom in the heart. I showed that this is how energy can travel in a Fibonacci sequence, because all that up there are Fibonacci spirals. So I've made it from acorn to heart 3 or 4 times, I can't even tell on there. But that's the progression of the halo wave, and it will oppose itself on the other side. One heart facing one way, or acorn, whichever one, at the acorn or the heart, and one facing the other, and one facing the other. That's what's happening in the video you're about to see, and that's what I try and explain. But I just thought, hang on, I know that shape after I've just explained it, of it coming out to the front and then going round to the back. That's what this picture is doing. Okay, that should hopefully extra over explain what I'm about to say. Thanks a lot. Okay, so here's what I'm seeing when I look at this galaxy. I see a spiral arm coming from coming around on the left hand side, and from the back I see an arm coming around to the right hand side, and some mass in the middle here. I do not see an arm coming out this way and then an arm coming out underneath the other way. I see a galaxy that has one full rotation. If we put somebody's head at the back here, it would look like the center of the galaxy was their heart, and this mass at the front like 2 arms holding something. And in front of this we see the blue stars going back to the back, and then over here we see another mass coming round to the back. All of these are going left and right and left and right. And the blue stars are a heart shape to the back, or a halo wave to the back, and the center picture is a halo wave from the back to the front as if it's holding something. Now I say all this because I've recorded smoke. I've got several videos. I'm going to attach these videos into the description. You can go and watch these videos, watch them at half speed or whatever speed you want, and you will see this galaxy, what I'm talking about. Now this galaxy has an input, so the middle is full of stars and matter. My smoke pictures conform to the same energy shape, a halo wave, but then all the mass in the center dissipates because there is no continuous incoming flow. So I'm going to now bring up these pictures on here so we can have a look at energy travel through smoke within a medium, and then we're going to look at this galaxy to see at this energy shape within the medium of space. Okay, this is my first picture from the video from 2015, Ouroborus-Electromangetic Radiation, Birkeland Current, Energy Flow. Now you can go to the below videos and pull up this video and you can watch me just playing around with smoke. As we can see, we have the full halo wave with the circles on the left hand side at the front there, which literally corresponds to what we are seeing on the right. Now I'm going to bring up 5 of these pictures, and then I'm going to bring up me creating the Rose Galaxy with smoke, an exact replica, just to show that this is how energy travels. So already I have a corresponding picture that's almost identical but reversed. Here's another one. These are all from the same videos, but they are different smoke rings that I have created, which funnel from the center and into the Ouroborus ring, which has rotation in 2 different directions, which all magnets do. Now some people might go, but you're cherry picking these pictures. No, I'm not. I'm freezing them in time because we don't see NGC 1961 in anything but that static shape because it's so much larger. So it's not me cherry picking, it's me showing the exact moment that it replicates that picture. Here again I show the hugging arms, the halo wave, with a mass of matter at the center, same as the picture on the left. Now this is where I recreated the Rose Galaxy. Now everybody can say, but oh no, all galaxies are spiral, and it's like, yeah and no, because this was created, the Rose Galaxy, from the end of one of these spiral arms, and it turned into that galaxy. The Ouroboros field that came out of the cigarette into smoke changed and did not link its hands together at the center. It opened up and one end became the Rose Galaxy. And of course this one end has the real S-shaped galaxy on it. But when they meet in the middle 2 arms, it becomes a halo wave. So most galaxies are the open end of one half of one halo wave, which is what the Rose Galaxy is. In fact, I'll include that video here, but I'll also link it at the bottom. As you can see, the halo wave did not complete itself and it turned into the Rose Galaxy. So just going for a halo wave, can't manage it, one end goes off to the right hand side, the other end. So there we go. I hope that's given people an idea that they start as a halo wave, but if they do not complete the halo wave, they will turn into an S-shaped galaxy, which means that over time all galaxies have gone from being a halo wave to spreading out to being an S-shaped galaxy. This of course is a picture of the Rose Galaxy and of what was created from smoke from an open-ended halo wave. A galaxy appeared at one end. So my pictures correspond to energy movement, and so I say, even though I might have a wrong perspective, but I don't see an S galaxy here. I see a halo wave galaxy. Halo wave galaxies are the first thing to appear. If they open out, they become a spiral galaxy on either end, which are connected in the middle. This is how stars are connected together. So yeah, me just showing that I did the Rose Galaxy, and that video is below as well, so you can watch me dab the cigarette and the Rose Galaxy blasts out of it. So yeah, I believe this is more confirmation of the things that God showed me in visions about the halo wave are correct, and here's a galaxy that proves it. And I've shown with the Rose Galaxy experiment that when a halo wave opens out and does not join its hands in front of itself, it becomes a spiral galaxy. So I've encompassed both spiral galaxies and a halo wave galaxy in all energy travel, because that's what God's shown me, that energy travels as a vortex, which is your S galaxy, or it turns into a halo wave, which is a halo wave galaxy. Thanks very much. My name is Lee. I follow the Christ, and I like it when something comes up that corresponds with what God told me, because there shouldn't be a non-S-shaped galaxy out there. I say there is because it's an original halo wave, whereas an S-shaped galaxy is on the end of a vortex, which is one half of a halo wave. Thanks very much. Bye.